Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Samsung Keyboard Smart Suggestions on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Next, we go down and tap on Smart Suggestions. Make sure that you turn on Smart Suggestions by tapping on the toggle button at the top. Then in here, go down and tap on Samsung Keyboard toggle button to turn on or turn off Smart Suggestions for the keyboard. And that's it. Once it is turned on, you can get suggestions for text to enter based on your messages, websites that you have visited, and other activity. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.